Tier 2 sponsorship for a registered nurse. That's healthcare company. So the salary starts from 20,480. Then before the PIN, and then it will increase after the PIN. So it's in Lincolnshire. Like we are saying here, it says you need to have successfully completed the NMC self-assessment and the CBT. And also, if we see up here, it needs evidence of your English language skills, like those things, OET. Yeah. So here is a post, guys, for nurses. Apply. Then you see how it goes. It needs 4 candidates, so it's a good opportunity for you guys to apply. So go tell your registered nurses that you know that have completed and are still job hunting that here is a post.